Today, I'll walk you through how to convert from container to column in WordPress, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transform your layout so you can create a more dynamic and visually appealing website. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website. You can do this by navigating to your WordPress login page and entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see the dashboard in front of you. Next, look for the Elementor option in the left sidebar. Elementor is a powerful page builder that allows you to customize your site easily. Click on it and then select the Settings option. This is where you'll find various configurations for your Elementor setup. Now, click on the Features tab. This section contains important settings that will help you manage how Elementor operates on your site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options. After that, navigate to the Default tab. Here, you can adjust the default settings for your Elementor pages. This is crucial for ensuring that your columns display correctly. Next, click on the Inactive tab. This section shows you features that are currently turned off. It's a good idea to review these options to see if there's anything you'd like to activate. Now, click on Deactivate. This step is essential if you want to remove any features that you don't need. It helps streamline your Elementor experience and can improve performance. Once you've done that, click on Home. This will take you back to the main Elementor dashboard where you can start creating or editing your pages. Now click on Dashboard. This will give you an overview of all your pages and posts, allowing you to manage your content effectively. Finally, click on Create New Page using the Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens. You can start designing your page layout, and this is where you will add your columns. To add columns, simply drag the column widget from the Elementor panel onto your page. You can adjust the number of columns and their widths according to your design needs. This flexibility allows you to create a layout that best suits your content. And there you have it. You've successfully converted from container to column in WordPress. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout a bit, but the steps remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.